Are you looking for a portable washing machines? In this video, I will show you the 5 best portable washing machines based on my personal opinion and hours of research. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The 5th product on the list is the Comfy Portable Washing Machine. This portable washing machine has 6 most commonly used programs, including normal, quick, heavy, bulky, delicate, and spin only. You are allowed to quickly start the machine the way you like. You can also add extra rinse time by pressing the extra rinse button. With only 20.7 inch in width, 20.3 inch in depth, and 36.6 inch in height, this compact washer is able to be stored easily. This washing machine equips with high quality and durable motor, providing stable power. Child lock feature allows you to freeze the control panel to make sure everything goes right. Saving as much as 84% energy consumption comparing to similar models, our washing machine is able to save money for your household. The 4th product on the list is the Black Plus Decker BPWM09W Portable Washer. Meet all your laundry needs with heavy, gentle, normal, rapid and soak cycles. Control the wash, rinse and spin cycles with the push of a button. You can also adjust the water level based on load size. Ideal for camping trips in RVs, apartments, and boats or dorms, our clothes washer is compact but powerful. It has a built-in lint filter that does not need to be replaced, just clean it about once a month. The 3rd product on the list is the Viva Home Twin Tub Mini Laundry Washer and Spin. The 2-in-1 washer operates wash, spin, and dry cycles simultaneously. Premium stainless steel interior greatly improves the stability and durability of the washing machine. Rust-resistant and sturdy material ensures long-term use. The machine is energy efficient, which means it doesn't use too much electricity or water. The washer can hold up to 8 pounds, while the spin cycle can hold up to 5.5 pounds. Strong washing and spin-dry power can clean your clothes thoroughly. Easy to operate, which means your dirty clothes can be efficiently washed, rinsed, and spun. It also comes with an instruction booklet to show you how to operate. The 2nd product on the list is the Cuppet Washing Machine. Simple design of the operation panel, wash timer, wash selector, and spin timer, more easier to use. Allows you to simply put in your load of clothes, fill with water, set the timer and start washing, completely suitable for everywhere. The Cuppet Potable Washer features a built-in drain pump which effortlessly automatically drains water from the washer. Washing and spinning are all work by 1300 RPM quality motor, with a max frequency of 60 Hz. Equipped with water inlets on both sides of the washing machine. The 1st product on the list is the Pile Portable Washer and Spin Dryer. Pile portable washing machines and clothes dryer make doing laundry easier, accommodating small loads of delicate items like lingerie, cloth diapers, or a few pairs of jeans. Spin dryer features a 120-watt motor and a capacity of 33 pounds. The compact dryer is perfect for smaller laundry loads. Features rotary controls for wash timer, program and drain selector, as well as a spin timer. Products undergo several years of continual innovation through R&D and user feedback, and are known to be much more affordable than other manufacturers. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave a like if this helped you out, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Subscribe for more content, and I hope to see you next time.